This video guide is about removing the new adware that attacks Mac computers. The adware is called WheelInstant. WheelInstant. This is a rogue application that we found while researching new submissions to the VirusTotal database. Our analysis of this application pointed to the fact that it functions as advertising-supported software, briefly adware. It belongs to the adload malware family, by the way. WheelInstant application targets Mac computers only, and it attacks Safari browser primarily, even though other browsers may also be infected by this particular WheelInstant adware. Well, the adware called WheelInstant is often spread through fake software update alerts, through some fake Adobe Flash Player update notifications, and through other misleading channels. In most of the cases, people download and install it absolutely unintentionally. Adware is designed to display ads on visited websites and through other interfaces. These advertisements endorse various scams, untrustworthy sites and software, and even malware. Furthermore, some intrusive adverts are able to perform stealthy downloads and installations upon being clicked. Well, if you have discovered this WheelInstant adware to be the part of your Mac, you should remove it immediately. Access your Finder, go to Applications, find this WheelInstant adware, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Well, I also recommend that you additionally research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start the application. The software is initially in the trial mode, but even the trial mode has got some absolutely free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Click on Start Combo Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware or adware. Even these free features in the trial mode are able to essentially improve the general performance of your Mac computer. So then the scanning will begin. The scanning may take several minutes depending on various factors. At the end of the scan, you'll see the whole summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on your Mac computer. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed. The summary of threats will give you the information about what kind of threat this is, where exactly it is, and some threats can be removed manually. However, we do recommend that you upgrade to Premium. This is the best solution to get your Mac always protected and free of any other malware that could be the part of your system.